Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how much money you have to pay if you want to join their membership. The brand is Spotless Auto Wash and Appearance Center. Okay, so basically their membership plans, it depends on your vehicle type. If you have mid-size car, then these are the plans, and you can see the details very deeply. I'm going to show you complete information. Okay, so these are the plans for mid-size car. Okay, and you can see the pricing like $25, $32, $33, $46 and $60. Okay, and you can see these are the services you will get if you have mid-size car. If you have a small size car, then the pricing will change. You can see these are the pricing. Now you can take a screenshot or you can pause my video. Okay, and there is one more thing, that is like this one, like express wash and supreme wash and ultra service, ultra shine. This is for full size car and this is for pickup car. Okay, so you can see these are the plans, these are the features, and these are the things. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and hopefully this video will helpful. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.